What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. Sorry about the little mess in the back, don't really have time to clean. Been taking care of the baby and everything, so busy life. But other than that, everything's going great and everything. I actually got some merch right here if you guys want to see it. There's a long sleeve. It's like a sand color, because I did sponsor one of my boys with a badass truck. You guys will see him later on. Not in this video, but later. And one of the new crew shirts and badass snapback. Go check it out, guys. But other than that, what we're doing today in the video is, you guys seen the title, we're gonna go pick up a new truck. So the truck is from 99 to 02, one of those years, but it's single cab Silverado 1500. Thinking of doing a giveaway for you guys, so like I promised, we're gonna be doing this. So if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe so you can stay updated with how the giveaway is gonna go and everything. I might be pulling numbers, I'm not sure. It just depends how everything goes and everything, but this truck still has a long way to go, and you guys will see it once we get there. So enjoy the video, guys. Also, we're driving all the way out to Indio, and we're here in Fontana. It's gonna be like a 2-hour drive to get over there, and then 2 hours back, maybe more. Who knows? But come along with us for the drive. Damn, that tree has a belly. Alright guys, so we're about to leave to go pick up the truck. My homie Renee's here. He's gonna be driving the car back, and also taking my girl. She's gonna be driving. She's not gonna be driving. She's gonna be in the car recording the truck while I'm driving it back, if we get it. This all depends if we do get it, which the truck looks like it's in great condition and doesn't need any body work, but we are gonna paint it eventually. So we should most likely will be taking it back. Let's go. 2-hour drive ahead.
With this guy.
This is my boy Renee. There's his Instagram right there on his nose. Check it out.
Don't shout me on my Instagram. I got a girlfriend. I got a fiance.
That's his truck. There we go. So we're pretty much gonna get a truck like that, but in black and not HD yet. But we're gonna make it HD. All right, guys. Now we are in Yucaipa. Putting some gas. Grabbing a snack. Almost there. Another hour to go.
Not a beer, guys.
Yeah, stop, guys. Indio. Almost there.
Don't rain.
We just got past all the traffic, all the rain's behind us. Looking pretty nice out here and empty. Alright guys, I'm not going to show you his house, but let me show you the truck real quick. There it is, guys. That's what we might be taking home. We're going to check it out right now once the guy gets here. Alright guys, here's the truck we just bought. Yes, it's going to be a giveaway truck, so stay tuned. We're going to make this thing look beautiful. Oh yeah, look at that Bronco over there. Damn, that thing's nice. Hell yeah. Alright guys, let's go. lives out here in the Coachella Valley. It doesn't go down. No. Alright guys, she is home. There she is, y'all. You guys aren't ready to win this baby once she's done, obviously. But hell yeah, guys, we got another single cab in the fam. Let's go see Renee's truck, the twin. We're gonna do a HD front end like his truck. And if you guys buying a lot of merch, then I'll add even more stuff to the giveaway truck. Well, right now we're gonna take out all the front end from his truck and put it on ours. He's gonna hook it up for free. No? No. Oh, okay. You sound all mad. Hell yeah. La de la brown hood.
Whoever gets that truck, I want to race him.
Y'all heard him. Whoever gets that truck, they want to race him. Maybe we'll race right now. No, I'm just kidding. Whoa, look at my crazy hair. God damn.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the... No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head.
Alright guys, so let me close the door. Let me close the door because the baby's asleep. That might have woke her up, but goddamn fog lights that I need to install. I didn't vlog after those few clips you guys saw. It was like a 2-hour drive home. Yeah, but that's a good sign. That's a really good sign. The truck is running great. No overheating, no nothing. It actually has e-fans, so the e-fans were helping a lot as well. The truck drives great. Everything's stock, like except for the exhaust, which has some burnt exhaust tips. Everything else is stock. So we got a pretty good truck, and reliable and everything. Later on I'm gonna go show you guys a little bit more during this nice daylight. And let me let you guys in on a little secret. Whoever's watching this right now, go ahead, hashtag Big Ol' Crew giveaway, because this truck is definitely a giveaway truck. For those of you watching right now, the giveaway hasn't started yet, but if you guys go on the website right now, today only, I'm gonna post this as early as I can, but today only, you guys will get double entries. So every $10 you spend, you're gonna get 2 entries for the giveaway. So go ahead, get your merch, hats, long sleeves, shirts, stickers. Oh, look at these new stickers I just posted. Every order is gonna get some of these holographic Denali clone stickers. I also got some of these for sale now, Big Ol' Crew certified. Go check them out. Get yourself entered, guys. Like I said, I want to do something special for you guys, and this giveaway truck's gonna be it. Last night I went on a spending frenzy and bought a bunch of stuff for the truck. I already got the drop kit ready, along with the shocks and everything. The new generation headlights with the LED strips, I got those too. I already bought some parts for the front end conversion to HD. What else did I buy? I don't know, but I spent a lot of money last night. So for those of you watching this video and this long, go ahead. You guys got double entries till the end of the day. So until midnight hits Pacific time, double entries. Go ahead. Hell yeah. Alright guys, so this is a 2000 Chevy Silverado 1500 rear wheel drive, 4.8 liter V8, completely stock. That's exactly what I was looking for. So we can so everything I do to it is just gonna be done for the first time. Well, actually, it's not completely stock. The only thing that was done to this truck was the 2-inch drop shackles in the back, but we're not going to be keeping those. We're going to be going back to stock because we are going to be doing a flip kit, and I don't know if C-notch is enough for 8-inch drop. We already have about 4 sponsors for the truck. First is going to be the interior wash. nice vacuum wash for the inside, so the seats can the color of the seats can come out. I love this color actually. It's like a caramel tan, so it's really clean. The next sponsor is gonna be the homie Eddie. He also dropped the Sierra 510 drop over there. Go check out his Instagram at _slow Sierra _. He does drops. He does all kinds of work. Why am I holding this? It's from my cacahuates yesterday. The next sponsor is the homie Johnny Chingas. He's gonna be doing the C notch for this truck. He also did a underbed notch for my truck, which enabled it to go to 10 inches. And the other one, obviously, Dave's Auto Body. They're gonna be doing a sick ass paint job on this truck. And what color do you think we should do on this truck? Let me know. Put it down in the comments. But yeah, guys, like I said, I already bought a bunch of parts for it. We're ready to go. I'm just gonna start installing them. We also have more parts coming in for the Sierra, like I haven't installed the new fog lights. We still gotta do that, and color match the SS wing right there. But yeah, guys, a lot coming for both trucks, or all three trucks. I do want to get a drop kit for the other Silverado, so we'll see what's up. But in the meantime, guys, go check out the merch. Like I said, double entries today only till midnight. Oh, and one thing that this truck has that my Sierra doesn't is a Bluetooth radio. It has a radio, but you need an aux. So on the way home, 2-hour drive, I needed it. It was awesome. So yeah, guys, this truck runs really good, pretty quick. I was stepping on it yesterday. Hope you guys are excited as I am. There's a new build, and I'm not gonna keep it. It's gonna go out to one of you guys. Stay tuned for everything. See you guys later. Peace out, everybody. TCB, big old crew. Peace out. That window is tucking. Alright, as I'm editing the video, UPS came and dropped off a part. Hell yeah. Let's open it up so you guys can see what's one of the next videos. Nothing. There's nothing in there. Just kidding. This was in there. Let's open it up. Hell yeah. And if you guys want to stay more updated with the build, I'm gonna be posting a lot on Instagram, like pictures of the truck and, you know, just small updates with the merch and all that, so go check it out. But let's open this up. Alright, I'm not gonna open it all the way because I'm putting the garage right now, but this is the HD bumper trim for it's good for the Silverado. So it's gonna have a more badass front end. This thing got here quick actually. I ordered it like 2-3 days ago. I thought it was gonna take like at least a week, but hell no, we got it quick. Alright guys, catch you guys in the next video.